Hey guys, today we are going to see how to prepare seeds for onions. Yes, for a long time I've been asking myself. I saw once these seeds of onions were sold, and I asked myself, but how do they manage to make these seeds? And today I managed to visit one of the very important farms where they prepare seeds of onions. So today I will teach you, if in case you don't know, how to get the seeds from onions. Yeah, this is Harry, and starting, I think you all know what is an onion. So you pick an onion and then you cut it at the top part of it. After cutting it, and you put it down into a soil and you wait it to grow. A big onion, in fact many people use those big ones which cannot be used in kitchen, especially the extraordinary large onions, the big bulbs. So you cut it in the topmost part so that it grows rapidly, and when you put it on a soil, it grows into this beautiful stem, and then it continues to grow and grow and grow, and when it reaches this stage, it starts to give flowers. Now these flowers, they continue growing, flowering, forming a big bunch of flower like this, and then with time it starts to get old. So when it gets old, it's the time when you have to harvest the seeds. You see, like this one. So this is one of the farms we visited in Rujewa, in the Igawa area. It's called the Igomelo Farms, and there we saw this plantation of the onion seeds, and they are very costful. It costs a lot. I can't tell you how much, but in fact it's very costful when you go to the shop and buy. But the farmers acknowledge that it's cheaper and it's good to pick this kind of seeds that are better. They can even grow easily than those you buy in the shops. Sometimes they are degenerated. So these are the best seeds for ordinary farmers. So when they get old enough, they start to dry. You see, so drying, the bulb the flower starts to get that old color, and eventually it forms seeds, of which when you pick up and you scroll them, you get the seeds. Now you can pick your seeds and get them to the farm. They grow new onions. So this is how they do. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Trust me, I'll be bringing you some new videos about life, about lifestyle, traveling and tour. This is Area 16M. Until next time, goodbye.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a